Yes, sir.
Matrices means arrangement. So it is an arrangement only. It doesn't have a real value. Matrices are different than the real numbers. Matrices and scalars. Scalars means real numbers. We use the word scalars for the real numbers. So matrices are very, very different from the real numbers. And algebra of matrices is also different from the algebra of real numbers. For example, if we go to buy shoe, if we go to buy shoes in a showroom and it has different brands shoe, Adidas, okay, Nike, Puma. So if you have seen the rack, first column in which Adidas shoes are arranged and their sizes 8, 9, 10. Okay. And size of 8 available in Adidas brand, number of shoes of means number of designs available are 9. Okay, for size 9, 3 designs are available. 3 models are available. For size 10, 4 are available. In Nike, 3, 9, 10. In Puma, 4, 3, and 1. Means this is the matrix. Now can you tell its value? It doesn't
No, sir.
have a real value, it means.
No, sir.
It doesn't have a real value. It is only an arrangement, understood, of datas in rows and column. Okay, and it is denoted by Aij. Aij means matrix, singular of matrices, matrix, or plural of matrices, matrices. Okay, matrix of order I cross J. Order I cross J means matrix having I rows and J column. We can also write A11 means element of first row, first column. A12 means element of first row, second column. A13 means element of first row, third column. A14 means element of first row, fourth column. And finally, 1J means element of first row and there are J column, na? Jth column. Is that clear to you? Element of first row, first column. Element of first row, first column. Element of A13 means element of first row, third column. A14 means element of first row, fourth column. A1J means element of first row, jth column. Now, if we write A21 means element of second row, first column. A22 means element of second row, second column. A23 means element of second row, third column. 24 means element of second row, fourth column, and so on up to element of second row, jth column. This is first row denoted by R1. This is second row denoted by R2, and so on up to when we reach to the last row. It is element of ith row, first column, element of ith row, second column, element of ith row, third column, element of ith row, fourth column, and so on up to element of ith row and jth column. Is that clear to you? Element of ith
Yes.
Yes, sir.
column, and if we write element of ith row, jth column, then this is Rj means jth row. Now this is C1. means column 1, C2 means column 2, C3 means column 3, C4 means column 4, and so on up to Cj means jth column. Is that clear to you? These standing vertical are the columns and this sleeping horizontal are the rows. Is that clear to you? So the arrangement of data in rows and column where the horizontal lines are called rows and the vertical lines are called column is called matrices. Is that clear to you, everyone? So write the definition of matrices.
Yes, sir.
Write the definition of matrices now. The arrangement of data in rows and column is called matrices. And write the example in your words. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write it
Yes.
in what you have written. Write this example and this arrangement also. Okay, this arrangement, and this arrangement. Okay. R1, R2, Rj are the consecutive J rows. C1, C2, C3, and so far up to Cj are J I rows. Actually, it is Ri, na? Not Rj. Is that clear to you? This one. Is ith row, as there are only I rows, not the J rows. Okay. So ith row is
Yes,
the
yes.
last row and jth column is the last column. So after studying about the definition of matrices and all about the matrices, we will and we should know about the types of matrices. Types of matrices. If you have understood the meaning of order of matrix, order of matrix means what? A matrix having m rows and n columns. Okay. Matrix having m rows and n columns is said to have order of m cross n. Is that clear to you? So write this down.
Yes, sir.
Also order of matrix. So on the basis of this, we will describe the types of matrices or the kinds of matrices. First, row matrix. Name itself is sufficient that it has only one row. है ना? Row matrix. Its name is sufficient to identify if it has only one row. A matrix Aij. This is the method of denoting a matrix Aij. Such that, this is the symbol of such that J equals to, sorry, I equals to 1 means it has only one row. Row is denoted by I. Okay. I equals to 1 and j equals to 2, 3, 4 or so on. Is that clear to you? Like A 1, 2 means matrix of order 1 cross 2 means which has one row and two columns, one row A, B and two columns, row 1 and two columns C1, C2. Is that clear to you? Or A13 means which has only one row X, Y, Z and three column and so on. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सेकेंड इज अपने आप नाम पता चल जाएगा कौन सी होगी सेकेंड
Column matrix.
Column.
column matrix. So what is the meaning of column matrix? Which has only one column. Means a matrix Aij such that j equals to 1, or we should write about the j after writing about I. I equals to 1 or 1 except 1. Means starting from 2. I can be 2 or 3 or 4 and so on. Not all at once. Okay. And j equals to 1. That is, if Aij is a matrix of order 2 cross 1, means it has two columns, it has two rows and one column like this. Okay. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clearly they are different from one another. They are not equal. है ना? Arrangements ही अलग है दोनों का. 3, 1. 2, 3, 4 like 4, 1. 19, 13, 4, 7. Is that clear to you? Etc. are the examples of column matrix. Singleton matrix. Can you tell the meaning? Singleton matrix.
Single element.
Having single element means its order will be 1 cross.
1 cross 1.
It has only one element. Like if we write 3, bas ho gaya, etc. Has only one element. Okay, singleton matrix. Written everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth, horizontal matrix. Horizontal matrix means Aij, matrix Aij such that horizontal means in which number of rows is less. Okay. Row number 1, row number 2, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 means number of rows is less than number of columns. Is that clear to you? Is called an horizontal matrix. means this row matrix is also a type of horizontal matrix, है ना?
Yes, sir.
And fifth type we write vertical matrix. Clearly, matrix Aij such that I is strictly greater than j. For example, ऐसे दिखेगी वर्टिकल ABC XYZ 273195 column 1 column 2 column 3 and row 1 row 2 row 3 row 4 means number of rows is greater than number of column is called a vertical matrix. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sixth, square matrix. And this time again, the name itself suggests what is the meaning of square matrix. Number of rows must be equal to number of columns. It's called a square matrix. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For example, 822. Is 2 row, 2 columns. R1, R2, first row, second row, C1, C2, first row, first column, second column. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A square matrix of order 2 cross 2 can also be called as a square matrix of order 2. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
2 क्रॉस 2 क्यों बोले भाई? सीधे सीधे 2 बोल दिया, है कि नहीं? समझ में आ गई बात? नहीं आई? स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for example, a square matrix of order 3 is okay. Understood everyone the meaning of a square matrix?
Yes, sir.
Now, null matrix or also called zero matrix, all elements zero, denoted by O. Matrix with all elements zero is called a null matrix. Is that clear to you? For example,
Yes, sir.
it is denoted by O. O equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It can be a row matrix, or O equals to, means it can be a horizontal matrix. It can be a vertical matrix. Dominoes बन रहा है ना? Or it can be a square matrix. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So a null matrix is denoted by O. Means 15th letter of English alphabets. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
O2 means oxygen. No. O2 means null matrix. Or we can say null matrix of order 2 cross 2. Means null matrix and square matrix of order 2. And O3 means not ozone. It means null matrix and square matrix of order 3. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So null matrix can be a square matrix, horizontal matrix, vertical matrix, singleton matrix, and all the matrices which we have studied before this. Okay. Now, next is scalar matrix. Eighth. Scalar matrix. Do you know the meaning of scalar matrix? It is a square matrix. Okay. Square matrix with all the elements except so before we study scalar matrix, one more matrix is left. This is diagonal matrix. Okay. First we will write about the diagonal matrix. Change the name. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix with all the elements except diagonal elements as 0. Means it must be a square matrix. A, B, C, like this. It is also denoted by diagonal ABC. Diagonal ABC means all the elements except diagonal element are okay, understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A square matrix with all the elements except diagonal elements as 0. It is also denoted by diagonal ABC. Okay. And the scalar matrix, in scalar matrix, all the diagonal elements are equal, means scalar matrix is also a type of diagonal matrix. Is that clear to you? Scalar matrix is also a type of diagonal matrix. Okay. In which all the diagonal elements are equal and other elements are 0. Write the definition yourself. Okay. A scalar matrix is a type of diagonal elements in which all the elements of diagonal are equal. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Unit matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix is a type of scalar matrix in which all the diagonal elements are 1. Means we can say a type of diagonal matrix in which all the elements are 1 except means diagonal has all the 0. Means all the diagonal elements are 1. Or we can say a square matrix in which diagonal elements are 1 and the other elements are 0. Is that clear to you? It is denoted by I. Write yourself the definition. Square matrix. In which all the diagonal elements are 1 and other elements are 0 is called a unit matrix or identity matrix. I2 means unit matrix of order 2 cross 2. I3 means a unit matrix of order 3. If we call order 3 means it must be a square matrix as well. Is that clear to you? Written definition, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to check for the type of matrix from this sheet. First question, construct a matrix of order 3 cross 2, where elements are determined by Aij equals to 3i minus j upon what? Are you all there?
सर
Okay,
ऐसा
next.
कुछ लिखा है
Upon X.
Upon 3, 2i minus j upon 3. So what will be the answer? Can you determine? Can you find the answer? Aij equals to 3i minus j upon 3. And order is 3 cross 2. Means it must have 3 rows. R1, R2, R3. And 2 columns, C1, C2. Elements are A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay. Now find A11. A11 means we have to use this formula. Aij equals to 3i minus j upon 3. So we write 3 into 1 minus j means 1 upon 3, comma 3 into 1 minus 2 upon 3. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So find the other also. Three into 2 minus 1, correct? 3 into 2 minus 2 upon 3. 3 into 3 minus 1 upon 3. 3 into 3 minus 2 upon 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. 3 minus 2, 1 by 3. Then 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. 6 minus 2, 4 by 3. 9 minus 1, 8 by 3. 9 minus 2, 7 by 3. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now solve question number 2. Identify the following type of matrices. 2A. Which type of matrix is 2A?
Row
Row
matrix.
Horizontal.
Row matrix. B.
Column
Column.
matrix.
Column matrix. Not only column.